I'd rather have it before and after.
You're too greedy. You don't believe in a freaky things too greedy. I mean like a freaky deaky.
Yeah, yeah.
Intensely and with it all my senses I do. I'm sure I knew the only reason God gave me eyes was to see you. The only reason God gave me ears was to hear your voice say I will always love you.
Hello my Jules, welcome back to our
Julsz
channel.
and Toussy, you know what I mean? Yeah, the vlog, the video.
You've all been wonderful. Today I cook up some nice curry, you know? Nice curry rice and peas and mac and cheese.
See, babe drop our phone, sealer. I curry the hit different, you know what I mean? It's like a homer, it's like you did the blows and script. When I call it Super Bowl, I eat a homer, you know what I mean? That's where it was at, man.
I can't lie, the curry was good.
I mean, I was like, we did a drink some white, you know what I mean? It's like we chop it back, we have some sunshine until they feel like we're in a yard. And then babe just come in with some bad boy curry with us. I tell you, just reach one place when I want to party. I want to drop on my big toe.
So big up everyone that was on that live. That live was so lit. There was like at the highest point I think there was like 31 people. So if you came across that live, big up yourself. Big up each and every one of you in that live. And that's where my post notification goes up today. Everybody big up yourself.
I big up Daisy again, you don't know anything because we can't beat her again, you know what I mean? Because it's like
if getting Amazon delivery, you know?
Saturday morning, me in my bed, bossy, lie down asleep, you know what I mean? Ready for go to work. Here this big delivery come at the door for me, Toussy dad. Big Amazon Prime box.
You don't even have the back on the more for sure, I'm
and
not
then,
sure.
Yeah, me drink after already, so. But, you know what I mean? We get this big Amazon Prime box, open it up. Big buckle of white from Daisy the done. It's me I say something, I have to big up my G.
Yeah.
No respect, beat a bad over the couple of weeks, so I have to big up and shout you up.
It's true. So in today's video, we're going to be playing Extreme Would You Rather.
We like that one, yeah. We feel it more put babes on this spot. Babes, your question is, yeah?
Oh God.
Would you, Miss Julsz B, would you rather to give oral sex or to receive it?
What's that? You know, I saw that question, you know, and I passed and I thought, no, let me not put him on the spot like that.
No, I'm not that guy.
So you just put him on the spot?
I'll put you on the spot.
Wow, my nigga. Would I rather do what?
I know you're capable, so I'm putting you there.
What did you say? Would I rather?
So basically, would you rather to give oral sex than to receive it?
I would to receive it, to be honest.
I think I know that, you know. You know, I talk from experience, people, but we can just tell because when you know your partner like that, you know what I mean? They just know. You just know. Me just know.
Can't give me the first.
I think everybody will know Julsz, you don't know. You know what I mean?
Them don't know that about me.
The obvious. You like what you like. She like what she like. It's alright. If you stop it.
Okay, would you rather talk with me about someone you fancy or fantasize about it secretly in your mind?
It's a good question, you know. But me don't know what I think. Like, would I rather talk to you about it, like, just in case you're that type of girl and you're interested, you know what I mean? Could I make it into a thing, into actual reality instead of just have it as a fantasy?
I mean, like a freaky deaky?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, hell no.
It might not happen.
Let them all sharing business.
What I'm saying, yeah? You ask me a question, I'm giving you my answer, innit?
May I listen to your answer?
That's what I think.
At the first, me not put you like this.
I would rather. No, my thing is, yeah, I would rather to go for it and make it public, make it be known. So in case, you know, you never know a person as well as you think you know them. So if you
clearly not.
if you're into it, then we can go forward with it, innit?
I'm not gonna forward that damn thing.
Would you rather have it with the lights on or with the lights off? What do you prefer?
Oh, lights off 100%. Oh, yes.
Want my face not cute enough to look on?
I don't, that's enough people.
What's something ugly? Shall I try something like a countryman?
That's not it, you know.
What is it?
It's just what I rather, innit?
But you have to tell me why, but kind of, I want to see.
You're curious?
Yeah,
I don't mind the lights on, but I find like with the lights off, it's more of a seductive atmosphere. It's more like intense, I think it's more passionate.
I think it's more of an ambience for freakiness if you turn off the light, you know what I mean?
No.
Would
Just sure. Would you rather do romantic things or try out some new kinky ideas?
Nah, romantic, straight out of there. Me not like both, but trust me, when I take base.
You don't like romantic things?
No, I rather that than the dancer.
But you don't say you don't like both.
Me I like both. You know that about me. I don't like both, but when I take it on a boat cruise, like French Riviera, easy with some rules.
Oh, you think you don't like the boat, as in a rowing boat?
Oh yeah.
I thought you said both.
Not both.
No. You see, sometimes the part was a bit too strong for me, you know.
You see, the tendency shot called my country boy, you know.
That
Call Toussy country boy. I don't know about Toussy then.
It's your turn.
Yeah, I must. Alright, I'm not even read that one. I'm just going to read it straight to base and make sure you see it. As I say, would you rather confess your crimes in front of your children or commit the crime in front of your children? So would you rather to confess or to commit your crime in front of your children?
I'd rather commit it, because if them young, them not gonna know what I do.
But if they're not gonna know what to tell me either. So like you have plans.
I don't have plans, but I just feel like say
you want to do it.
Would I rather do it in front of them than
me not contradict you realistically, but I just suggest if you even tell them, still they're not gonna know, you know what I mean? So
yeah, but if you tell them and they remember, and when they grow up, they will say, but mommy did tell me so she did this before, and mommy's a damn thief.
I think you remember things where go through, like action, physical action, more than verbal. So I don't know. As I say, maybe you have little intention.
You don't have no intention.
No, I'm very sorry about people, you know what I mean? Just be careful, you know what I mean? Give up sex for 1 month or masturbate for 1 month?
Give up sex for 1 month?
Or masturbate?
Oh, I'll give up masturbating.
No, you'll give up masturbate.
Yeah.
No, you're gonna give up sex or masturbate.
Yes, I'll give up masturbating.
Babes, you not understand.
What do you not understand to see?
Would you rather, yeah?
Yeah.
Would you rather give up sex for 1 month or would you rather masturbate for 1 month?
Oh!
Yeah.
I don't understand. I not give up sex, so I must masturbate me and give up. What the question the kind of clear to me?
You don't understand things, babes? Give up sex for 1 month or give up masturbating for 1 month.
So I just say that, not to say that, I just say that.
I think
that's regular people. and I dig down my throat to me, you don't understand.
Relax. So she said she'll give up masturbating with that. Yeah, it's alright.
Would you rather get a dirty picture from me every day for a week or have sex 5 times in 1 week?
5 times in 1 week.
Pressure.
Where's the... If you get a dirty picture, that means I'm going to probably at myself, you know what I mean? She's masturbating. As opposed of having the real thing in front of me right now. Which is a good thing. Come on, there's no choice there, man. Come on. Would you rather sex in a hotel or on a beach?
Oh, a beach any day. Oh,
would you mind loving to why?
Is this beautiful? You got the.
I don't think so.
You got the sun right there. You got the sand in your.
You're trying to pass memories
everywhere, and lovely stuff happens at the beach, man.
You get the sun in your pork and all of these things.
The sun don't go in my pork. Something else be going in my pork, man. On the side. Would you rather take a body shot off of me at a party or have me take a body shot off of you at a party?
To be fair, I'm very flexible with that one. I think that one got both ways, you know what I mean?
You have to get your pick.
No, I'm going to do 2 of them. I'm ready.
No, you have to pick.
I'm going to follow the game. I'm going to do 2 of them. You know what I mean? Take a nice body shot off of babes.
This is the last question, no.
Because babes have one of them, what do you call it? Them innie navel. So you can put on proper shot in there, you know what I mean?
Yes, you have my time of business.
You didn't ask me this already? Wait. I'm asking you to tell me. Would you rather have a threesome with somebody you know or with a stranger?
Oh, that's hard. Oh, that's hard. Would I rather have a threesome? Oh, yeah, I did that. Someone that I know or a stranger. What do they mean, like?
you can know somebody, you know what I mean? So you like you look on this person and be like, oh babes, if we're gonna have a threesome, let's include this person, you know what I mean? Because that would be fun because we know them. So the feelings and reaction are gonna be different. As opposed to a complete stranger where you don't know and you don't know how their reaction are gonna be, you know what I mean?
Well, personally I don't believe in threesomes, to be honest. No. But if I was meant to choose for the game, I would say
Huh?
I dropped my leg.
No, I was scratching my nose.
Personally, I would say for the purpose of the game, I would say a stranger. Because...
Is it?
Yeah, of course.
Why?
Because people that we know are like blood family.
Well, if you know somebody like that, you know what I mean?
And
you can make a real
me not trust girl like that. Them come experience one time and come back and say, oh, me gotta go behind Julsz back and just take no. With the stranger, you don't know them. After you're done, you can lock them off. Them don't know where you live, them don't know about you.
Imagine tomorrow you get to visit the stranger, like you see the stranger out your door. Hi, how are you guys doing?
My door side with a pail of bleach water.
I just came back to say hi.
Turn on the kettle, put in some bleach in the water, put some browning and my door side. Why are you here? Oh my god, babe, what did you do? Oh yeah. My door side with a pail of water, yeah? Door side quick. And my last question for hubby is, would you rather get a blowjob right before bed or be awoken up by a blowjob? Nasty. It's called would you rather for a reason.
I would rather have it before and after.
You're too greedy. You don't believe in a freaky things too greedy.
It's not about,
people.
It's not about greedy, yeah?
No,
it's
you're
about,
greedy.
It's
No,
about
you're still real bad.
It's about having a very large appetite. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're still real bad because number one, him don't believe in a freaky business. So how him I go one head before and after bed. All that be happen. Before bed and when you wake up,
really
no
humble.
sir.
I'm like,
if you want them kind of treatment, you have to be a freaky guy.
I'm a chill guy.
You have to be a freaky guy.
But at the same time, I'm a little bit bougie, you know what I'm saying? A little bit bougie. I like what I like. I'm not going to kind of. I like what I like.
You need to open up your mind to certain
things. What I like, and
you have to open up your mind to certain. What are you doing, babe?
I like what I like.
Then you have to open up your mind to. Don't do that.
Relax.
Don't do that.
Baby, let me love it down.
Anyways, my Julsz, and that comes to the end of this video. And it was very short and spicy. I hope you wanna like it. A bit of insight into our mind in a small percentage of a way.
Is it?
Go.
I don't play by the rules.
You're unfair.
I make my own rules because I have to win.
Look so untidy. But anyways,
if
you was big up on yourself, and you know what you do when you get to this part of the video. If you have watched the whole video, then you just drop a heart. You know how we roll. Drop them hearts, people, so we know who watch all of the video. This is this week's video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Loving a long time. Big up on yourself. The old Julsz, the new Julsz, the in between Julsz. Keep it locked. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and all them good things. Energetic. It's like a little bunny, you know. Watcha, don't cock up. As I was saying, like, comment, and share. And subscribe. Come on, we're so close to 4,000 subscribers. We know we've been inconsistent in the past, but we can promise you that if you get us to 4K, we're not gonna drop out again. We promise.
You hear the government speech?
We're not gonna drop out
again.
Put
the government leader here. We just preach goodness.
Yes.
Still good. Love God.
Love and respect. Yeah.
Innit?
What is your problem, sir?
Innit?
Stop scratching me, man.
You're not scratching, huh? You feel up, huh?
Ah!